Vietnam, Datong Trading Co, Ltd, in Ho Chi Minh City is an Insole sales and service center with production and R&D hubs in Vietnam and China. Quanzhou Bang Ni factory features advanced automated production lines and intelligent management systems, ensuring strict quality control from raw materials to finished packaging for efficient, high-quality production. Leveraging precision laboratories and cutting-edge technology, we produce high-precision, durable, and comfortable insoles for orthotic, sports, and daily use. Our experienced team continuously innovates to provide one-stop customized solutions. We prioritize exceptional product quality, environmental protection, and social responsibility by using eco-friendly materials to minimize production impact. Certified by ISO 9001, ISO 13485, FDA, CE, and BSCI, we ensure our products meet international standards. Cao Thuong Factory, located in Binh Phuoc Province, Vietnam, serves as our primary insole production base in Southeast Asia, spanning 6,000 square meters. The factory is equipped with cutting-edge production facilities, advanced technology, and a highly efficient management system, enabling global procurement and sales capabilities. Committed to delivering top-quality insoles, we cater to customers worldwide by leveraging our dual production bases in Vietnam and China, allowing us to respond swiftly and efficiently to ever-evolving global market demands. Our strategy emphasizes efficient, scalable production and flexible supply chain solutions, underpinned by rigorous quality control and operational excellence to ensure our products consistently meet the highest industry standards. With robust logistics and a strong focus on customer satisfaction, we guarantee timely delivery, exceptional service, and reliable insole products precisely tailored to your specific needs. Whether managing large-scale orders or providing custom solutions, we offer comprehensive support to fulfill all your requirements. Our commitment extends to sustainable practices, utilizing eco-friendly materials and processes to significantly reduce environmental impact, reflecting our dedication to corporate responsibility and social stewardship.